What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Gunfish TV. I want to thank you for tuning in to my channel today. I appreciate it very much. I think y'all can tell, I'm gonna try to get the camera angle for y'all, but I'm in my tiny little boat. Now, this is a little 6-foot bass tracker. I believe it's a 1976 model, and this was my dad's little boat that he bought from Bass Pro a long time ago. And I've not done a video out of this boat, I think, in the last 2 years, but I used to fish out of this thing all the time when I was a kid. You can see it's got a trolling motor I can put right here on the front. The battery goes up underneath the seat, but it's a really cool little boat, and the water is so low that it's just a perfect time to use it. Now, we're right here in the middle of October, and I was planning on hunting this afternoon, but I'm not gonna go because it's so warm. It's a beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees right now, and I really think the fish are gonna absolutely crush it today. I think we're gonna have a ball. I got a crankbait, a topwater rod, a spinnerbait rod, and then I got the good old Texas rig with me. We're gonna throw the raised bug around, and that's probably what we're gonna start with, but we are gonna catch them today, and we might even catch a big one, so let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty, well, let's get started on our little adventure here, because I think this is going to be absolutely insane. What do we got here? We got our line wrapped around, but we got the good old raised bug. So I can show it to y'all. Raised bug, got a 3/8 ounce, one objective tungsten with a bobber stopper right there. Blue crawl raised bug, 20-pound test, P-line floor clear, and we are going to absolutely crush today. The river is so low, and I think it's just, oh, first cast, missed one. This is going to be insane. First cast, just missed one. Let's throw back up there. Oh, I didn't even get it to where I wanted to cast it to. I wanted to bring, well, I did bring my other GoPro, but I wanted to bring my base mount so I could put it like up here on the front or behind me, and I remembered everything but that one thing. So, but we missed a fish on the first cast. That might be a good thing. Does anybody else believe it's bad luck to catch a fish on the first cast? I don't think it is. I don't really think it is, but I think we're gonna have a awesome time. There's one. Oh no, I'm gonna tell you, setting the hook, and this old girl is a little bit tough. Let's go back up there. It is a little bit tough, because there he is. Got him that time. There we go. Pretty dude. They're so pretty this time of year. So pretty. Look at that dude right there. First fish of the day. Thank you, bud. All right. I just got bit the cast before. I'm not sure if that was the same fish or not. But yeah, I mean, setting the hook in this dude right here sitting down is a little bit tough, but I stood up some. It was a little bit sketch, so I don't know if my balance ain't as good as it used to be or what, but we're gonna get it done sitting down if we can. I lost a big one the other day right here. I just came down walking along the bank, and it was a big boy. I don't know what it was, but it was a big fish. Let's get that crankbait. Let's get that crankbait and give that a try. I got a DT6 on here, and I'm not sure what color that is. but we're gonna throw that bad boy. The only problem with the crankbait is getting hung up, but if that's what they want to bite, then that's what they want to bite. There's one. There's one on the crankbait. Not a bad little guy. Surprised he doesn't have another one with him. All right, so I got to remember, I cannot short line myself. I love in the kayak and in this boat, I love just short lining myself. You got to remember, I'm not in a big boat. Get out of there. There we go. Pretty little dude. Thank you there, buddy. All right, let's see if we can get another one. He was out away from the shoreline. Yep, he was out away. Threw that one back into the wind a little bit. She got a little funky on me. Oh yeah, good fish. I mean, absolutely choked it. Well, I think we're gonna be throwing the crankbait a little bit because I don't know if y'all can tell, but that guy right there, if I can get my line to come out because it's wrapped all around my tip. What have we got going on here? All right, here we go. Y'all look at that. I mean, squared up, choked. Let's get the pliers for that dude. There we go. Pretty dude. Thank you there, bud. I mean, absolutely chomped that crankbait. Chomped it. Might be another one up there. I like to get up there sometimes kind of together. Crankbait is a good way to catch a doggone big one. And like I said, this is just a Rapala DT6. And I don't know the exact color, but in the fall, I like to always throw like a yellow crawl type color, which is basically what this is. So that's what I'm throwing. Got some fish jumping behind me. I don't know what they are. That's a big one. Big one. Big one. Up there on that wood. Yep, that is a big one. Oh my goodness. Don't get hung. Whoa, he is a strong one. He is a strong one. That's a really good fish. Really good fish. Wow. Whoa, son, he is big. This is a little bit bigger fish than what I realized, I believe. We got him good, it looks like. I just want to be sure. Yeah, this is a big one. I want to get over here. Oh my goodness, he's big. I don't know if I got that jump on camera or not, but let's get the net out. How about that? This is just a fiasco. Come here. Woo, that is a tank. That is a dadgum tank. Wow, yeah. Yes, sirree. Had him right there in the nose. That right there, my friends, other than just being a disaster and not having the net ready and all of that. That, my friends, is a doggone biggin. I mean, a biggin on that DT6. Get us a picture of that dude right there. Man, that's a pretty fish. On that piece of wood, like I literally thought I was hung there for a second. Let's get a picture of this guy. Well, bud, I'm gonna tell you what. I don't have a scale, but I can promise you that fish is over 5 pounds. I can promise you that. So we're gonna let that guy go. Look at that dude right there. Oh, is he gonna jump? Nope. Thought maybe he was gonna jump. That is awesome. Look, and I'm gonna tell y'all something. Right here on this particular piece of wood, I've caught a lot of really good fish off of it, like in a row, like back to back. So maybe it's another one up there, but I'm throwing this on 15-pound test P-line C21. That is what I'm throwing, just so y'all know. That was a daggone biggin. That crankbait will get them biggins in the fall. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, he come off. That was a pretty solid bass. He hit it right under the boat. I saw him come out and eat it. Oh, there's one. He's not as big as the other one, but let's get away from here. There we go, buddy. I mean, they are like, when they're getting it, they are chomping it. There we go. Pretty guy. I got a feeling that we're going to catch a biggin where we're at. They're stacked up right here. They're stacked up. I got to get away from here because they are stacked up. Yep. Not a biggin, but another solid fish. There he is. Be nice if we get like 2 at a time. Like that would be super cool. There's one. Oh, little guy. Oh, he's got a bunch more with him. Let's get over here because he's got a bunch more with him. When I brought him up, he had buddies. Pretty little dude. See if we can get some more of them guys. Or some bigger ones that are down there. I don't know if we're going to be able to go any further here. Ain't looking too fantastic. Cut through here like this. Yep. Good deal. All right, let's get this fish just sitting right here. I know it's one right there. Got this water running through here. Oh God, he had about took the rod out of my hand. There he is. Yeah, we got him. He was down in there deep. Get off of there. Pretty guy. These dudes are in this wood hardcore. Let's see if we can get another one out of there. There's one. A lot of little fish. A lot of little fish. A lot of times this time of year, I mean, they're beautiful though. I mean, look at the coloration on this guy. My goodness. I mean, do you get any prettier than that? That is beautiful. That feels like a pretty good one. Nah, he's not that big. He was set up right though. He was set up right. Get back away from there because that's like the perfect place for one to be. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah, he ain't a bad one. He's just not old thick boy like we're looking for. They're up there kind of close to the bank. And you know, as soon as you crank it, a lot of times they jump right on it. Oh, I just got another bite. It's set up right there. Got to keep these leaves off though. This shoreline we're coming up on right now is a really, really good one. As a matter of fact, I think it's one of the best shorelines on the whole river. So hopefully we can get some doggone big ones, and I'm thinking we're going to get them on the crankbait. So let's get prepared to sling that bad boy without getting all hung up. I got overly excited there, giving her the old jiggle. Oh, there we go. See if we can get one. I'm just gonna have to stay off the bank here because it's the current is pushing us right into it. I just fired up there, super shallow. There's one. Got that one. He was all the way out here in the middle. Little guy. He was a ways away from where I got that first bite. Little guy. That first bite, I got a feeling, was a big one. Just the way he hit it, swam out with it, gave me those big fish vibes. It was a pretty decent one up there in that treetop. Oh, it's a bunch with him. Oh, it's a bunch of fish with him. I don't know. Oh my God. It is so many fish with him. This is unbelievable. Y'all, I might do something crazy here in a second. It is so many fish down there with him. Oh my goodness. I mean, it was some big ones down there with him too. All right, let's get this guy off. That's a solid fish, but there was some that come up with him that were bigger. Come up out of that treetop. Pretty guy right there. All right, let me get this rod set down. I'm just gonna let that hang right now. Current is taking me right into that tree. I mean, it was like 6 or 7 fish underneath that fish that I caught. That was pretty wild. So we got to get resituated here. One definite thing, like I said, about this boat is you are just spinning in circles and you are all over the place. You don't have much control. The wind and current will kind of take you wherever they want or wherever it wants. So let's turn around and see if we can get bit up here again, because like I said, I mean, those bass were up there like crazy, and they got pulled away from that tree. There we go. That's a decent one. That's a decent one. Come here. Seems like the rage bug. That's a chunky one. Seems like the rage bug bite has kind of kicked up a little bit, and the crankbait isn't quite as good for some reason. But pretty dude, chunky guy. Thank you. Thought there again, and see if we can get another one, because I'm sure it's more than just him up there. That's where I had that really good bite a few minutes ago. Drag it. Yep, there it is. Nowhere near as big. What is that? Oh, a little teeny rock bass. Oh, that's a pretty dude. I mean, just as pretty as it gets. Check that guy out. The colors on him, man, he is pretty. Beautiful fish. Look at the coloration. Thank you. All right, well, I think that's about as far down as we're gonna fish. I really can't get over that tree that's across the river, so we're gonna start to work our way back and throw the crankbait and the old rage bug and mix it up a little bit. Maybe we can get a big one. Ooh, a big fish just ran up there and moved. I don't know what that was. Got that one. That ain't a bad one. Caught a few there on the crankbait when I came through the first time. Not a bad fish though. Got him under the bottom of the jaw somehow. Pretty dude. They're back up there. Might be another one up there. Probably is. Just it's a matter of whether he bites or not. Let's get up there. Oh, there he is. Got that one. Oh my goodness. My hand slipped terribly. That feels like a little bit better one. It is a little bit better one. Yep, that is a little bit better one. Ooh, he just got me soaked and it is cold. Come here, dude. That's a pretty... He is spinning all around. That's a solid one there. Check that dude out. I mean, he choked it when he bit it. Let's see if we can get this out. Just got him right in the roof of the mouth. There we go. On that rage bug. He's a little skinny for this time of year, believe it or not. Pretty though. Oh, he's gonna jump for us. He's gonna do it. There we go. Yep, he gave us the old jump. That rage bug will catch him. Man, that thing will catch him. Let's get back up there. I bet we can get another one up there. They're loaded up there. that's not the right spot. We got to get a little closer. The wind's done kind of blown us out away from it. I'm sure that whole area is just loaded with fish though. Look at that otter. I heard that dude coming through the woods. I didn't know what it was. River otter. You don't see them back here very often at all. Yep, do not see them very often. We're just kind of cruising on back, headed back up to this deep water up there where I caught that 5+ pounder earlier. We're gonna throw the rage bug around and crank a little bit, but this fast stuff hasn't, you know, really been good, which normally this time of year it's not. You know, the fish, the water's cooling down, the fish want to get, you know, into some slower water, so we're just gonna work our way on back out of this fast stuff and get up there where the water's a little bit deeper and slower and see if we can get another big one. Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. I saw that dude swim up behind it and just eat that rage bug right off the top of the water. There he is. Cool. Thank you, dude. What do we got here? Ooh, shell cracker. Nice one too. Yep, nice shell cracker. I mean, he completely ate that front treble. All right, so we got to get the pliers for that dude. But that's a nice shell cracker right there. If y'all don't know what a shell cracker is, that's a red ear sunfish. We call them shell cracker, but he got all of that front treble hook. I think we can get him out though. There we go. Pretty dude. Nice. I'm gonna tell y'all what. I'm deeply concerned about this battery and whether I am going to make it back to my boat ramp or not, because this thing is barely turning right now. We're barely moving and we're going against the current and against the wind, and whoo, she is slow. Ooh, big raccoon perch. Get up here. Nice. I saw him come up underneath of it. That's some good eating right there. We're not gonna keep that dude though. We're gonna let him go. Pretty dude. I saw him come up underneath of it. We're just gonna fish our way back to the steps if we make it. If not, I kind of don't have a paddle, and we're gonna be, oh, a darn catfish just followed my crankbait up. Little catfish. But we're gonna be push poling if we don't make it. Hopefully we do. Still got a little ways to go though. Concerns me. We're not even hardly turning anymore. Ooh, we gotta get over there to the bank. Oh my goodness, this is not good. We're gonna have to get over there to that side. We are stranded. We can just kind of push pole our way. Oh my goodness, I gotta move that rod. If I don't move that rod, I'm gonna end up with a mess. Bring a paddle, kids. No matter what, always have a paddle. Oh my goodness, no. Get up. I'm not trying to slow down my progress. Well, it's first time for everything, right? First time ever paddling with a net. First time battery dying. Or going completely bad on me. Charged it last night, but she's a daggone goner, I can tell you that much. And I don't know what else to say. I really don't. Phew. Well, let's get the heck out of here. All right, y'all. Well, got the boat loaded up, everything out of the river. And let me tell you something. That was almost really bad. I'm going to consider myself very lucky that I was as close as I was when it started to die. And, you know, I've had trolling motor batteries go weak before, you know, but I was able to get to wherever I was going. That battery just died. It literally just died on me. And the prop wasn't even turning anymore. But finished it off with pushing with the paddle, dragging a little bit, walking along the bank, and then paddling with a good old net. But, whew, I'm really lucky. But it had some pretty good fishing. You know, caught that one really nice fish. Caught some more nice fish, but I was really thinking that I was going to get a little bit more quality today. But, you know, overall, it was a fun day. Caught them, mainly the crankbait was mainly the deal, that DT6. And in that, I think it's spring crawl. Don't take me 100% on that though, because it's just a yellow crawl with an orange belly. But that seems to work really good in the spring and in the fall in the rivers around my house. So that was why I was throwing it. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment down below and tell me what you want to see next. I really appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you next time on Gunfish TV.